and it's a talk through. I am really excited about doing talk throughs and I love doing talk throughs. But my problem is, like, if you know me how much I talk. I talk endlessly and then the video becomes like, super big, and while editing it's a big mess because I don't understand what part to edit, which one not to edit, because let's just stop talking, and I'm going to be doing a fresh, easy to do, no eyeliner makeup tutorial because many of us struggle with eyeliner. Trust me, I've been there and I still do. Yeah, in case you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to begin by applying my liquid eyeliner. Everything is an eyeliner in this video, and I'm not using any eyeliner. Oh god. Okay, I'm just going to apply some of foundation, and I'm just taking this on my spine and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Since this is, I'm going to color correct my dark circles, because every time I skip this step my under eye area turns up looking grey and ashy after a while, and I also have pigmented lids, so I'm just going to do that also. Just going to press it. The concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Honey. I like to go all the way in. Again, so now I'm just blending it. I'm using my Makeup Geek foundation brush. I'm actually not able to find my concealer brush. And on my under eye area, I'm just going to pat it. I'm not going to do any blending, because if I do any blending then I will remove the color corrector. So I'm just going to pat it in this area, and rest of the face I'm just going to blend it. Now I'm just going to quickly set my face. I'm just going to apply a compact on a big brush, and I'm just kind of avoiding my under eye area because extra darkness under my eyes. If I use a yellow powder, then that makes my under eye brighter other than using a regular compact. To apply a yellow setting powder, so this one is the Ben Nye banana powder. I'm just going to take that. You don't have to actually do all of this, you can just take a regular compact and do this, but if you have extreme dark circles like I do, this is just a good choice for you. So again, I'm not doing any baking or any of that. I'm just taking some powder and I'm just going to kind of set my under eye. As I said, I'm not using my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster powder in medium. So this is actually like a good shade for a bronzer because it's not too dark. And I'm just going to apply this on like under my cheekbones, and then I'm just going to blend it upwards because that gives me a higher cheekbone. And I'm just going to go under my jawline to kind of give some more shape to my face. Again, this is not going to be very stark or very dark contour and highlight. It's still very blended and very daytime appropriate. I'm just going to pinch my brush, and whatever is left I'm just going to quickly do a nose contour thing. The blush and the highlight we're going to do after we do the eye makeup. After I do the eye makeup, I'm just going to go ahead with the blush and highlight. So right now, just let's move on to the eye makeup. But before that, let's just fill in my brows. So I'm just going to take this taupey brown kind of an eyeshadow from the Morphe 35W, I think this is 35W palette, and I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows. Nothing too crazy with the eyeshadows also, just lightly filling them in. I'm going to take this taupe eyeshadow from the 35W palette. It's a matte eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go on my crease area, and I'm just going to lightly dust it on my eyes, just to give some dimension. I'm going to take this light eyeshadow color for my highlight. Double palette only. I'm just going to take this light peachy pink kind of a shade, and I'm just going to apply that on the same flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pack the color really nicely, dust off any excess, and just apply this all over my lids. Once I've applied the eyeshadow, I'm just going to go in with the blending brush again, and I'm just going to blend out everything. I have not added any more eyeshadow to the blending brush. I'm just trying to blend the lid color with the crease color, that's all. I'm going to take this Maybelline Colossal Curl in turquoise, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line. You can just directly go in with a eyeshadow also instead of this kajal liner, because this nice turquoise blue green kind of an eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take this on a pencil brush, tap off any excess, and I'm just going to apply this over the blue liner that we just applied. That on both the eyes. I just want to take a small blending brush, preferably if it is a bit stiffer it will be good. I'm just using the Makeup Geek small crease brush, and we're just going to blend that out. Now we're just going to apply mascara, and let's just curl your lashes. Apply mascara, and I'm using my Oriflame Volume Build Mascara. I really love this mascara. I just like to take the wand and just apply it at the base of my lashes and kind of wiggle my lashes. So what it does is it distributes the mascara evenly, and at the same time it separates the lashes also. That's it for the eye makeup. I don't think I need individual lashes, but if you feel the need, go ahead and just apply these. So that's that. Now let's move on to the lips. I'm using Inglot Freedom System lipstick in number 73. For that, I'm just going to apply my Miss Claire lip liner. This one is called Vermilion Orange L35. I'm just going to line my lips. Let's move on to the face. Now I'm just going to take this eyeshadow right here. It's that as my inner corner highlight, and also I'm going to use the same eyeshadow for my highlighter as your highlighter as well. So I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner to bring some brightness. That, and now I'm just going to use this stippling brush and pick up the same eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that as my highlighter. So since this is not shimmery, it is going to be like a subtle highlight rather than like a kapow kind of an highlight that I get from my Balm Luminizer. I'm just going to use this Pea Pie from the Sleek Pumpkin palette, and this is a very pigmented brush, so I'm just using very little and just applying that between my highlighter and my bronzer. Okay girls, so this is the final look and this is how this one looks, and I'm really happy with how this came out. It's such like a summery, fresh kind of a look. So yeah, guys, do let me know how you like this video and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it.